Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced OLED TVs on the market, the Samsung S95F 65 inches, OLED 4K Vision AI Smart TV. If you're looking for top-tier picture quality, AI-powered enhancements, and next-gen gaming features, you won't want to miss this. Let's break it down. At the core of this TV is the NQ4 AI Gen3 Processor, boasting 128 AI neural networks that optimize picture and sound for the best possible experience. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or watching live sports, this TV adapts in real time for stunning 4K clarity and immersive audio. Not all content is native 4K, but with 4K AI Upscaling Pro, this TV takes HD and lower resolution content and upgrades it to near 4K quality. No more blurry scenes or pixelation, just sharp, clear visuals every time. Hate dealing with annoying screen glare? The glare-free technology on the S95F minimizes reflections from indoor and outdoor lighting, so you can enjoy your shows without distractions. Samsung's OLED HDR Pro takes brightness to a whole new level, up to 70% brighter than OLED HDR Plus. The result? Deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and richer colors that make every scene pop. Gamers, this one's for you. The Motion Xcelerator 165. Hertz ensures ultra-smooth motion with 165Hz VRR and HDMI 2.1 support. Whether you're racing, shooting, or exploring, expect low latency, smooth gameplay, and no lag. Navigating content is seamless with one UI Tizen. With automated content curation, Samsung Knox security, and 7 years of OS updates, this interface is designed to keep your TV fast, organized, and secure. Why pay for more when you get endless free content? With Samsung TV Plus, you can watch live streaming TV, movies, and more without an extra subscription. All you need is an internet connection. Control your smart home devices right from your TV. With SmartThings, you can adjust lights, check security cameras, monitor energy usage, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. At just 11 millimeters thin, the Infinity One design ensures your TV blends seamlessly into any space. It's minimalistic, stylish, and keeps the focus on the action. Entertainment for everyone. The audio subtitles feature reads subtitles out loud, making content more accessible for visually impaired viewers. Samsung's solar cell remote is eco-friendly and partially made from recycled plastics. Plus, it charges using sunlight and indoor lighting, so you'll never need batteries again. Watch over 30+ channels of live and on-demand TV for free with FreeView. No contracts, no fees, just free entertainment from networks like ABC, SBS, 7, 9, and 10. So, is the Samsung S95F 65 inches OLED 4K Vision AI Smart TV worth it? Absolutely. With AI-powered enhancements, stunning visuals, gaming-ready performance, and a smart home ecosystem, this is one of the best OLED TVs you can buy right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you're thinking about getting this TV.